Hello students, today we are going to read our chapter number 9 in EVS, Clothes We Wear. As we all know that we all wear different types of clothes. Clothes cover our body and also protect us from heat, cold and rain. Moreover, the clothes make us look smart. There are two kinds of fiber, natural fiber, man-made fiber. Number 1. Natural fibers are those fibers that we get from plants or animals. Some natural fibers are jute, cotton, wool, silk. We get cotton and jute from plants and they are called plant fibers. We wear cotton clothes in summers. These clothes are made from cotton fibers. We also use bags made from jute and jute sacks to keep things. Even ropes made from jute are used by us. We get jute fiber from jute plants. See the picture. Here the cotton plant is grown from which we get cotton, and then cotton is changed into cotton thread, then making of cotton cloth, and then weaving, and then cotton cloth is made. It's made like this. It's given in your book. You can see from there also. Then we get wool and silk from animals, and these are called animal fibers. Wool fibers are used to make woolen cloths like sweaters and mufflers. We get wool fibers from sheep and goat. We also wear clothes made of silk in winter. We get the silk fiber from an insect called silkworm. Here we get wool from sheep. The procedure has been given. From sheep we get fleece. From fleece the ball of wool. From wool we are knitting and then we get the final result, woolen cloths, woolen sweater. Then man-made fibers are those fibers that are artificially made by man. Some examples of man-made fibers are nylon, rayon, polyester. Now students, what we wear, it depends upon the seasons. For example, in winter we wear woolen cloths, and woolen cloths keep us warm. We wear cap, muffler, hand gloves, sweaters, jackets, because in winter we feel cold. In summer it's very hot, so we wear light colored cotton clothes. Cotton clothes absorb the sweat and keep us cool. We get cotton from cotton plants. When the rain comes, we wear raincoats and gumboots. When we go out in rain, we also carry umbrella with us. These clothes are waterproof. They protect us from rain. Now some clothes are called uniforms. Do you know why? Because when we go to a special place where a dress code is given, then we have to wear that dress. For example, when you go to school, so children wear specific dresses when they go to school. Such dresses are called uniforms. Cotton is the most popular and best selling fabric in the world. Kimono is the traditional Japanese robe. Some adults also wear special uniforms. Their uniforms are designed to suit the kind of job they do. For example, naval officer, doctor, policeman, fireman, lawyer, postman, nurse, soldier. Now, what type of clothes are you wearing? They depend upon your country also. People living in very cold regions like Antarctica wear heavy woolen clothes to keep themselves warm. And people who are living in hot places like Arab countries, they wear loose cotton robes. These robes protect them from dust and also absorb sweat. Now actors and dancers, they wear special clothes called costumes. You must have seen in the pictures. that actors and dancers wear clothes which are costumes. Now, taking care of clothes. We should always keep our clothes clean. We should regularly wash our clothes and iron them. We should wash clothes in gentle detergent and dry them under the sun. Some clothes like silk and woolen needs to be dry cleaned. We should keep naphthalene balls or neem leaves with our clothes as these protect them from insects. So this was our chapter, students. Thank you for listening me, and the PDF of these exercises have been also uploaded that you have to do in your notebook. I have mentioned it in the file in the exercises, that which exercises you have to do in book and which have to be done in notebook. Stay safe, stay blessed, and we will discuss this lesson in our next EVS live class. Thank you.